Welcome you all to the tutorials of PTV VISSIM. This is the third part of this tutorial by adding the evaluation configuration for the report preparation and by adding both vehicles and the pedestrian delay configuration, travel time and the queue count of both the vehicle and pedestrian. Okay, next part is we want to calculate the number of pedestrian counts and the speed what is given. It will count it like that in the queue formation. For that, for the evaluation, click evaluation, click configuration. In this configuration, result attributes. For that, what are the collections we need? In data collection we need delay of the vehicles, we need in the link of the delay we need, and then pedestrian travel time. For that 58 meters we want pedestrian travel time, and the queue count is any queue is counting is there means. Next, vehicle network performance, vehicle travel time. If you click the delay means vehicle delay means in how many uh, duration the vehicles is delayed in that conflict area, we can also take it out from is 0 and to 3600 seconds, and the interval of every 600 seconds I want to take the result, so I make it a double click 600. Just type it 600, it will recognize. Okay, and click OK. Okay, now we are going to add the list in the windows. Result list. In that delay list we need. Okay, delay list. Next, data collection list. Okay, in the bottom you can see the data collection list and the delay list, it will come. Next, result hmm, queue list. Next, result pedestrian travel time result. Yeah, these are the things we need. Okay, to calculate the pedestrian travel time, for that in the pedestrian in the network area, click the pedestrian travel time. Pedestrian travel time, click it out. Now control A, control D, control A. Okay, now the pedestrian travel time is from here to here. I want the pedestrian travel time. For that, choose this option by clicking here. By clicking here, it's an added new pedestrian travel time measured. Yeah, okay, go to that. In the area number 2 up to here, I just needed. Okay, just click OK. I because the error is coming means already I added, so that only just click, it will recognized. Okay, the here. Okay, next we want to take the pedestrian delay. Yeah, in this vehicle input and the delay, the here is the vehicles result. Okay, in that vehicle travel time, yeah, we want to take the vehicle travel time. Okay, by clicking that vehicle travel time from here, by just clicking here, right click and just drag how many. From here up to here we can also have the vehicle travel time, or full-fledged for the 500 meters you can also just click it out by clicking this vehicle. Next, queue count. In this, how much queue is forming, just click it. Okay, from from here how many queues are forming, like that we can also add it out. Okay, thank you for watching the tutorial.